Alright everyone, good morning, welcome back to the video and welcome back to the vlog. It is a chilly day in New York today, but we'll be okay because for the first time in 4 months, we have the Rx8 back in the driveway. So let's get a cold start. Alright guys, I still can't believe the Rx8 is finally back in the driveway. It's been so long and I've missed it so much, and it looks so good in this new bumper. And I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram and in comments like, what bumper is this, right? It is a Mazda Speed, like this is styled after the Mazda Speed, but it's not a real Mazda Speed bumper. I never even seen one for sale. I'm sure those go for insanely high prices. This is actually a KBD body kit. If you guys know anything about KBD, this is not your regular fiberglass. So this is actually a really, I guess, a flexible material. So like this thing right here flexes a lot. And if I was to, you know, is this a rock chip already? But anyways, well, I guess these are rock chips, right? But you guys see, like when the rock chip hits it, it kind of just makes a little dent because this is all just really flexible material right here. It's not like fiberglass where I have to worry about like if I scrape or hit a curb or something like that, fiberglass would crack. And because I am daily driving this car and I'm driving it hard on the mountains and stuff like that, right? Having it made out of pretty much rubber, this is pretty good. So like if anything hits this, I don't really got to worry about it cracking because it would just flex back into place. But because of that, it does come with some fitment issues. So I could point that out right now while the car is still warming up. So this is the one I just pointed out. There's some fitment issues by the headlight on this side, and I believe it's a little bit less on this side, but you can still see that there is some fitment issue running along this crack right here. And it's most noticeable by the corner lights right here, because the bumper kind of just goes inwards and it doesn't really sit flush with the actual lights. And it is the same thing on the driver's side. I guess it's a little bit more noticeable at this angle right here, but it kind of just folds in and you have this empty gap right here. There's also more fitment issue by the side skirts right here. The passenger side though is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this side because nothing ever really happened to this side of the car, so this side is good to go. Now all of these body gaps and little cracks here and there does bother me. I'm not gonna say it doesn't, but it's not the end of the road because at the end of the day this is a driver's car. It's not really a show car, so it's not like I'm entering it into shows and stuff. It's really just meant for me to drive and have fun in the mountains and the curves and, you know, just my daily driver. So it's not the end of the world that there is body gaps and stuff like that. I really don't care about it, but maybe later down the road one day when it's not my daily driver anymore, I'll put a little bit more effort into it. Maybe I will switch it back to a fiberglass just for better fitment. But until then, I'm perfectly happy with where this is right now. Yo!
Yo, the bird just took a shit.
Oh shit, really?
Yo, right there.
Yo, what'd you think of the new front end?
Damn. Damn, man. That whole prisoner of war situation.
Yeah.
It's been a while, homie.
It's been a while.
The RX is back, baby.
That's SUV trying to crash.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Crazy. Oh, yo, there he goes again. Damn. Yo.
It was all just to record.
Yeah, man, you almost killed people.
It was just like, he was literally speeding up and he got this camera out recording the car. I'm like, is he like trying to catch up to me or what's going on? I thought that was funny as well.
Yeah. Hey, like cafe mocha, the 16 ounce?
Medium mango cold brew. Oh, I finally got Miguel to hang out with me.
It's been a while, everybody.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him for a long drive out in Long Island, just show him all the roads. On our highway trip around here, right? Fucking this BMW just tries to like race us. And he sticks his phone out, just like putting everyone's life in danger, trying to get a picture of the car.
Yeah, he probably took like 70 videos. He probably the first time he did it, he thought he got something, didn't get a good one, tried again, swerved around 70 cars just to make his way back to us. Like he did that over the course of like 10 minutes or 15 minutes or something.
If you're watching this video and you were the one recording, send it my way. I want to see what you recorded.
Also, kick-ass Dragon Ball Z Super Saiyan Goku phone case. I saw, I mean, because I see that exact same thing on Instagram, man. Somebody had to buy it. And he did.
Alright guys, it's been a minute since, you know, really got to drive this car, like 4 months to be exact, but we're not trying to get out, we're not out here trying to get ourselves killed today, so you know, just want to show Miguel around the back roads of Long Island, because you never really come driving, right? Like you never really go out with the intent of just driving.
No, the Honda CR-V don't drive like that. It's a smooth ride, but it's you know, you go slow. See, I would have died here. Oh boy, he fast. Yo, oh.
Man, I miss this car. Like, we just gripped that corner.
Yeah.
Insane. Pushing the car by any means, by the way, guys. Like, this is just for the funds.
Jerry's girlfriends. This is so much fun.
Is this how you imagine the dates go?
Yeah, yeah. They're just like they're fucking like a pink up. Woo, you know. Oh, I like him. There's like zero visibility.
Yeah?
Oh man, that goes up.
We gotta go back up to the mountains. That's where I want to go next. I want to take the car back on the toge. It's been a long 4 months. I really want to do it at least once before, like, you know, winter really sets in and the snow starts happening and then they close off the mountains. So we gotta do it at least once before that happens. But this is pretty fun in the meantime.
You heard it here, folks. Stay tuned.
Car backfiring.
It's when it fucking goes up the hill that fucking gets me, man.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Fuck.
You don't want to fall into, like, you know, don't want to drive right into the trees.
That would suck. Fun fact. Driving into trees, it's not good.
Beautiful day with the Rx8, just driving down the back roads of Long Island. Wasn't that fun?
Very fun, for sure.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright, at least he didn't rest his hand on the e-brake like a friend of mine did.
No,
I was like, oh shit.
No, I had to keep scooching my thigh back because I was like, I'm gonna brush up against this dude. We're taking these corners way too tightly for him to lose focus.
Man, I miss this, guys. Just like this view, the car, it's great. Fucking, it's nice. This is perfect timing too.
Yeah, it's gonna be break as all fuck in a couple of seconds.
Is that the look? I don't know. I kind of want some sunglasses for when I'm driving in the sun. You know. I don't know. I think these suits me. Maybe.
I should try to find.
Alright, what do you think, guys? They recommended the Gucci ones for me, you know? Clearly, I look like I have expensive taste, apparently. Yeah, they look good. What do you think? Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it to the very end, I really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my content, and I mean that always. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday. Thanksgiving just passed. I don't know if you guys did any Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping, but I sure as hell did, and this is perfect timing because I just got the package in my mail, and I guess we might as well open it on camera because I bought a new GoPro. Not gonna lie though, I haven't fully decided if I'm gonna keep this thing yet. Oh, well, I already ripped the packaging, but I wasn't sure 100% if I was gonna keep this GoPro. It's brand new, GoPro Hero 12. I am currently using the Hero 8 for all of those that are wondering, like if you guys are wondering what I do my POV content with. It's the Hero 8, so you know, I was really due for an update. But the reason why I wasn't 100% sure if I was gonna keep this thing is because my main camera thing actually here, I've been having some issues with it, and it started popping up after I bought this GoPro. I mean, I knew like even some bits and pieces been falling off the camera for a while now, but now it's like I'm having some issues with the recording sometimes turning off on its own. So, and the main cameras aren't cheap, and then this was like, you know, $350, which is actually really good. And it should come with extra stuff in here as well, like extra batteries and stuff like that. So $350 for this is pretty good, but main camera here is pretty expensive, and I don't know if after just dropping like all that money to fix my car, I'm not sure if I could afford to be dropping hundreds of more dollars on a camera. So that's why wasn't 100% sure if I was gonna keep this, but let's unbox it anyways. Alright, we had to move the unboxing of the car because I had to move my car real quick for street parking. So it is what it is living in New York City. But anyways, let's unbox this thing right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little run I did with Miguel, by the way. It was his first time driving on the back roads, or just being in the back roads in the car. It was a lot of fun getting his reaction to everything. But it's definitely still need to hit up the toll gate, and maybe I could, you know, record something with this new GoPro right here. So this is everything in the box. Came with a little mount for the GoPro, so you know, if I wanted to, I guess I could vlog with the GoPro attached to this, you know, just aimed at myself. I don't know. I never really vlogged with a GoPro before. I kind of just prefer the regular cameras, but you know, maybe we could try that if my camera does ever go out. We got that thing there. This is a head mount, if I remember correctly. So this all came with the camera pretty much for free. It just came as part of the kit. Let's see what else is in here. We got these little mounts. These, I don't know what exactly this one is for. It might be for like a tripod, but that's what this mount is for. Oh, actually, maybe it's for this thing right here. Makes a lot of sense. Okay, that's for that. And then some 3M tape and some other stuff here. Right, and then the camera itself, obviously. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Yep, brand new. I'm gonna open this at my own time, but you know, this is what the camera looks like. It's the Hero 12. It has a little screen here as well, so I could actually see myself, unlike in the Hero 8 that I have. And then a headband. I don't think I've ever used a headband, but you know, it's there if I need it. But yeah, that pretty much sums up all my Black Friday shopping. I didn't buy any car parts. I thought about it, you know, but with the amount of money that I'm spending recently on the repairs and just cameras that I might need to spend more money on, I just, you know, didn't have really the spare change to do much crazy shopping. But hopefully you guys did though. Let me know what you guys, you know, bought in the comment section below. You bought any coilovers, some wheels, tires, whatever it is, let me know in the comment section below. But until then, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I feel like I've rambled on for long enough. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, wherever you're around the world. And until next one, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.